Benchmark set. Hold the line.
Log that at 12 meters.
Keep spoils segregated.
Density pass is good. Containment center line confirmed.
Sorry.
Cold grade, 2 centimeters. Brace is square, tack it.
Fire watch ready.
GFCI test passed.
Maintain arc length, steady.
File meets criteria. Record it. Clear.
Readback complete. NC Weld-001 approved. Heat input within limit.
Couplers torqued, tag them.
Preheat to spec, then weld.
Sign off complete. Ready to pour. Lift by lift. Keep it even.
Alignment holds. Keep curing plan.
Cure temp stable. Documented.
Traceability is complete.
Fire watch set, proceed.
Sleeves clean. Keep them centered.
Holding followed. Working somewhere, Inner pass temp, check now.
No indications. Accept.
Hold, pin it now.
Gap is in tolerance.
Edge closure welded, move on.
Keep weld zones shielded.
Tie off verified, continue.
Hot work permit posted.
Sensing quick tie out, post FE. Fit up tight, tag sequence now.
Parameters logged. Continue pass.
Scan complete, no lack of fusion.
Follow the TAC map. Root opening is in spec.
Hold speed. Don't weave.
Inner pass at limit, pause.
Cap profile acceptable. All clear. Shot time.
No porosity. velocity beyond limits.
Keep it plumb, 2 millimeters.
Stop. Check distortion. Hold lift.
Roundness back in tolerance.
Netting secured. Work safe.
Purge stable. Keep welding. PT clean. Accept nozzle weld.
Preheat, verify weld node. Ready to lift.
Node weld passes UT.
Set it. Hold. Hold. Boom up slow.
FME complete, seal the log.
Clamp stays. Finish tie-in. Panel line true. Lock it.
Keep stainless cool. No tint.
Confirm heat number, then weld.
Oxygen below limit, weld.
Keep the puddle tight.
Ferrite in range, good.
Inside is clean, accept.
Bonding verified, continue.
Cap every open end.
Bracing angle conformed. Weld.
Preheat mark, start weld. Supports weld when accepted.
Fillet side meets spec.
Document every weld, no gaps.
Last hot work here, done. Leave IDs visible, always.
Come on, mission.
Mask the weld zones, now.
Shield the floor. Small tacks.
Toast to toast. Where we go? Torque to spec, log it. Firewatch ready, go!
Last weld, then glass seals.
Weld turnover package sealed.
Mandrail spleece finished. All weld records are current.
Lucien.
WPS verified. Proceed.
Rework complete, measure again.
Rework accepted. Close item.
IDs visible, clean pass done. Moved, surface dressed.
DFT meets spec. Sign it.
Might be status and wondering.
Complete, release issued.
Zero debris. Seal out. Punch list is zeroed.
Deviation closed. Move on.
Hot work closed. Site ready.
Team is accounted for.
Access stays clear, always. Kept floating along.
Tag matches as built.
Clean purge makes clean welds.
Perimeter secured. Clear.
No open permits. Handover.
Sequence prevents distortion.
All items closed.
Cleanliness verified.
Good work. Log out clean.
Sector 3 clear.
Controls prevented defects.
So we'll link into the job action. This rover is being charged for X. Please send safety without infiltration.
Seal applied. Do not disturb.
End of build.
Level, secure it. The final frame.
Verified.
It's in fact
Subscribe, like, and share.